how to redirect all your domains to a specific domain in GoDaddy. So let's start the video tutorial. Once we log into GoDaddy hosting account, we need to go to the My Products page. And in this page, we need to scroll down to the web hosting section and click Manage button. Next in this page, we need to click cPanel Admin button, which will bring us to the cPanel Settings page. Now look for the Domains section. To redirect domain in GoDaddy, click Redirects under the Domains section. And in this page, you can add domain redirection. In this field, you can choose either a temporary redirect or a permanent redirect type. In this field, select the All Public Domains option. With this selection, all your domains in cPanel will be redirected to a specific domain. In the Redirects To field, enter the domain where you want all the domains in cPanel to be redirected. Finally, click the Add button. And done successfully. All the domains in GoDaddy will now be redirected to the designer site domain. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like the video, leave a comment below, and share it with others. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel